Yes, I'm on the way. I'm like, let's say, well, I have a little bit of a business, so I would say 1.5, 2 hours. Yeah, but you open until 8, correct? Kap kun kap. Oh, this is great. We just finished a video and Pro Plugin just called us because the Tascam X8 is available. And that's what we're doing in this video. We're gonna pick up this recorder. You may be wondering, why would I get this recorder if I already have two 32-bit recorder like the Sound Devices and the Zoom F6? And the answer is pretty clear, because I'm actually really curious about having a handheld recorder that is also capable of 32-bit up to 192 kilohertz. Now, I don't have the Zoom H6 and the Zoom H8 anymore, so I actually need a handheld recorder. But one of the main reasons why I bought it is because of you. I did a poll just out of curiosity if people want me to buy it and make videos about it, and the poll said very clear, yes, I should get it. We go and we buy the recorder so that we can also support the local economy here in Thailand.
So we're actually using the Sony ZV-1 right now. We've had this in our bag for a few months now and we haven't used it at all.
I bought it for the Camino.
And we're just gonna see how capable this camera is for vlogging. We are on our way, right? To the MRT.
Yes,
First time.
So that's what we're doing too. On the way to picking up the recorder, we're gonna show you a little bit more about Bangkok's underground. Now we are walking here down one of the loud streets of Bangkok. I think maybe we should make a video, Sounds of Bangkok. What do you think?
Yeah, I think it should be called the world's loudest city.
Oh yes.
Bangkok. Because honestly, you have no idea how loud it is.
Yeah, if you've never been here. I don't even know if you can hear us right now.
Yeah, I don't know. And that's the other thing. We're testing the audio on the ZV-1, if it's any good or not. I don't know.
Some people love durian. You can hunt me with that.
He really doesn't like it. I can eat it, however.
หมายเลข 3 ด้านในค่ะ
ปลาฮอนยนที
ก่อนยนต์ที่ประตู66 บาท
ครับ
First timer.
So if you come to Bangkok, the BTS and the MRT are not connected, so you always have to pay different. If you want to get a card, you have to purchase through the BTS and through the MRT separately.
Please find the gap between train and platform.
I can't even do that right. Hey, cutie!
Sorry for the not so scenic ride, but before we get into the store and pick up the Tascam, let me just tell you how much it costs here in Thailand. So the price is about 17,500 baht, what is about 530 US dollar. In some stores you can get the tax back for tourists, but they don't do this in this store. But it's okay, I'm gonna buy it anyway. So now let's go and pick up the recorder and see what's all included. Now, if you're wondering why there's zebras next to a zebra crossroad, yeah, I was curious too, so I googled it really quick. And one of the theories is that the zebras represent safety. If you have another theory, let us know in the comments down below. Pro plugin. Oh, this is the store. Maybe we call them really quick.
สวัสดีค่ะโปรอินใช่ไหมคะ สอบถามหน่อยค่ะ สาขาที่ลาดพร้าวซอย 5 ปิดไปแล้วเหรอคะ อ๋อ โอเค It's another shop. It's at Fortune Tower.
Fortune Tower.
Yes.
Oh, and do you know where that is? Oh, you probably know where it is. That means we have to go back. Okay.
I'm gonna act surprised that we're not at the right place.
Well, but it's not my fault because the Google is
The Google.
The Google tells me it's here. Oh, okay.
At least we got to see the cool zebra crossing.
Yeah. All right, so we came from here, went all the way up here, and now we have to go back here. Aha! Doing a little audio test here with the road. Can you still hear me, Libby? You can? Wow. That's so great if you have a long lens and you can just... I think it's Fortune Town. Fortune Town. Fortune.
Train doors. Please mind the gap between train and platform. Control center. Around 9 station. Please mind the gap between train.
It's another huge mall. It's unbelievable. This is extremely overwhelming. A place like this. Wow. It's just electronics all over the place, wherever you look. Oh, I think I found it. Yes. Okay, that's all. Now we got the recorder. And see if we can find some other accessories for it. Without wind protection, it's quite disappointing that if you have a $500 recorder and they don't put a wind protection in it. So we figured that out. Let's see if that works.
อันนี้เป็นโฟมพุ่มเหมือนจริงๆแล้วเนี่ยอันนั้นจะกันเสียงป๊อปแต่อันนี้จะกันลมเสียงป๊อปเสียงแบบพอพานโซโซ่อะไร
What do you think?
ใช่
อันนี้เวลาไปถ่ายริมทะเลในป่า
ใช่
ลมแรงๆที่เราคอนโทรลลมไม่ได้เลยอ่ะมันจะซอฟต์ลมลงไปหาย
But it should be, right? Should be.
Yes, please.
Yeah. Let's see. Tascam.
Many model.
Yeah. We took another detour to finally go to the store. Pro plugin is great. They almost have everything that you can even imagine. I also saw a VR microphone from Sennheiser in the corner. Luckily, because I was not expecting that they have actually the wind protection with a little bit more accessories. So I don't need anything, but definitely for our next video, we're going to take a closer look and then we go out recording sound on the new Tascam X8. So thank you so much for watching and I can't wait to see you in this video.